Okay.
Hello, everyone. My name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is May 22nd, 2022, and the cryptocurrency market is breaking out. It is breaking out, okay? Bitcoin is preparing to break out, but the cryptocurrency market is breaking out. Let me explain. All right. Right here, I'm on the daily chart of the entire crypto total market cap chart. Okay. This is basically all of crypto put in together, right? Aggregated into one chart, right? The whole market cap. And you can see it looks very much like Bitcoin's chart. Okay. And that's not an accident because we all know Bitcoin makes up about half of cryptocurrency's total market cap. Okay, so there are going to be a lot of similarities. However, if you add on all of those non-Bitcoin assets, those altcoins, you get a little more volatility, and you can see while Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you this in a moment, while Bitcoin is still in consolidation in its descending triangle, we have a clear breakout of resistance here with the total cryptocurrency market cap, okay? And the target of that breakout is right here where our 21 EMA, right? This is an exponential moving average for those of you who don't know. I like to use Fibonacci numbers. 21 is a Fibonacci number. This is a very, very popular EMA. Some people like simple moving averages and they use the 20 simple moving average. But typically, in technical analysis, many people espouse the idea that when you're underneath, in any time frame, when you're underneath the 20 or 21 simple moving average or exponential moving average, you're bearish. And when you get above that, you're bullish. Okay, so we can zoom out and just look at that just for a second, just so you understand why I'm using the 21 EMA and nothing else, right? So here we go, daily chart, total crypto market cap. We're above it right here, bullish, bullish, bullish. We break below it, bearish, bearish, bearish. We're above it, bullish, 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 bullish. We break below it, bearish, bearish, bearish right here. Okay. Actually, I should draw that right here. Bearish, bearish, bearish. We go above it briefly and then go below it, and we've been bearish ever since. Okay. So the idea is that this descending triangle that we're in breaks out, tests this 21 exponential moving average, and then gains or breaks above it, and then takes us on another bull run. Okay, so that's the idea. This is why I have the 21 exponential moving average, and that's the indicator that you're going to see throughout today's analysis. If you guys are getting value from this, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed for daily Bitcoin analysis, sort of occasional altcoin analysis, right? Not every day, but occasional altcoin analysis, especially during altcoin season. As we're in altcoin season, this is the beginning of altcoin season. Don't be fooled and wait until altcoin season is halfway complete and then realize that we're in altcoin season. You want to realize these gains. You want to realize these movements in the market, these huge movements in the market earlier than later. Okay, you don't want to be late to the party because then you increase your risk. Okay, so during altcoin season, I'm going to be talking more about altcoins because that's going to be leading our market. Okay, so you see I've drawn these the support and resistance for the descending triangle, and you can see a breakout to the upside. Okay, now it's not a fierce breakout. We haven't yet even tested the 21 EMA on the daily, but all of that is coming. All right, so that, just keep that in mind. The other thing I want to show you on this total cryptocurrency market cap chart is that the last time we were at around $1.27 trillion. Okay, that's the total cryptocurrency market cap. Remember, the last time we were at this point, okay, that represented a macro bottom. Okay, once we were here, last time we were here was in the summer of last year, 2021, we proceeded to make all-time highs in the cryptocurrency space. Once again, we revisited this level. So I'll ask you, what do you think is going to happen since we've revisited this level of support? It's been support in the past. Once before it proved support to be support. Now, will it do it again? All right, that's the question. Some people think it won't, and we're going to break down, but others do believe that history will repeat itself once more, and we will find support and break up and out of this region. All right, so that's the total cryptocurrency market cap. It's important to show you this in the beginning because now that we look at Bitcoin, you'll see that it's not yet broken out. It's not as far along in its progression as the entire cryptocurrency market cap. And again, you'll see a lot of similarities here. I'm going to zoom out, still on the daily, no log, just the daily time frame, and you can see it's similar to the entire cryptocurrency market cap. Again, that makes sense, right? And again, we have our 21 exponential moving average. We are confined in the support and resistance levels, right? The diagonal resistance and the horizontal support of this descending triangle. I understand that descending triangles are typically bearish patterns, but I don't like to label patterns as bullish or bearish because everything has a probability of either breaking up or breaking out, and you want to look at context, okay? So beginner traders will say, oh, that's a bearish pattern, and then it'll break up on them, and then they'll say that's a bullish pattern and it'll break down on them, right? You want to look at context, right? In the context of this huge hammer candle, right? The macro support level represented by 2930K, right? Right here and again over here, I would say that this descending triangle is consolidation, bullish consolidation for continuation to the upside. I wouldn't label this as bearish. And, proof positive is looking at other assets that we're going to look at, market leaders that are sort of further along in this progression, in this consolidation and breakout, okay? So this is where Bitcoin's at. It has yet to break out, okay? However, other assets have broken out. And if you go on smaller time frames, you can see it's getting ready to break out. If you fall into the 4-hourly time frame, we turn on our volume because we really want to see a volume spike. We don't yet have that, but it's preparing to break out. It's just broken through to the upside on the 21 EMA on the 4-hourly time frame. So you can see it's not yet there, but it's coming, okay? It's coming. So let's go back on the daily and let's go into what's leading the market now and why are altcoins leading the market. Once again, we are in altcoin season. I've said this before. If you look, you can see that we've been stuck at 45 for quite some time, 45%, meaning Bitcoin's dominance of the cryptocurrency space equals 45%. It equals 45% of the total cryptocurrency market cap, which is currently about 1.27, right? 1.27 trillion. And it's found resistance on this diagonal resistance, right? Kind of like what you're seeing in all of these assets, but in reverse, right? Instead of breaking up and out of this descending triangle, the market cap dominance is breaking down. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is breaking down, right? We have once again, and I've mentioned this on this channel, but it bears, repeating. You have clearly 3 waves. Okay, in Elliott wave theory, 3 waves means correction. Okay, 5 waves means impulse. All right, and that's continuative. You can have continuation in impulse, right? That's a trend. 3 wave means corrective sort of sequence, corrective price action, which means that it's likely to go the other way. If those 3 waves went up, you need, most likely 3 waves to go down. Okay, so we're waiting for a rejection, and our clear support is right here and right here at around 39 to 40%. So this is why this is the beginning of altcoin season. This is the major resistance of Bitcoin's market cap dominance. This is why you want to start thinking in terms of altcoins, not financial advice, but that's where the money is at right now. This is why the total cryptocurrency market cap is showing a breakout, whereas Bitcoin's lagging a bit. And if you go into specific altcoins, right, which we're going to do here, let's go into our general watch list and let's sort for what has moved the most. You can see Zilliqa is the biggest mover at this time, and you can see a clear breakout of this descending triangle. Okay, that's a clear breakout, and it's testing the 21 EMA of its daily 21 exponential moving average. Okay, and so the next step is consolidation and breaking that daily 21 exponential moving average. All the while, this breakout is being confirmed by an increase in volume. Okay, so this is what you want to see in a breakout. All right, it's not yet moved a ton, but you'll see more and more of this in the cryptocurrency space and in these assets that will start pumping out double digit gains on the daily time frame. Okay, convergence is another one, and this one's a little different. I actually see a rising, it was a rising wedge that broke down and broke back up, which is basically your quintessential W reversal pattern that you're getting. Okay, this is extremely bullish. This is very, very indicative of a large time frame reversal, especially given that we're on the daily chart seeing something like this. So this is very, very telling of a big move to the upside after a large sort of trend to the downside, right? And Chain Guardians, same thing. You're seeing a breakout of this descending triangle, and you're seeing massive volume substantiating the breakout. So this is what you're seeing in those altcoins that are leading the market. Okay, and at least in my watch list, in my general watch list, these are the leaders right now. Okay, there could be others, but these are the leaders up until now. You see they're hitting their 21 EMA, they're rejecting off of it, consolidating for a continuation up. Okay, so that's that. In my more concentrated, or in my more curated watch list, that's the word I was looking for, you can see something similar. Okay, you can see breakouts here and there. Well, Vervain has yet to break out. Okay, let's see. EOS, that's not a big position at all. I'm just curious about that. I wouldn't even call it a position. I don't have a position in EOS, but I'm watching it. Okay, it has yet to break out. Cardano has just barely broken the top resistance, okay, of this triangle. It's more in a symmetrical triangle. Verasity just about to break out, it seems. Okay, Telcoin, same thing. Okay, and Cadena, similarly, just about to break out, testing the upper resistance. Okay, so this is what you're seeing throughout the market. Okay, once again, it's a good time to buy, if and only because you are in extreme fear. I'm going to refer to the sentiment analysis repeatedly on this channel because it's important. Although my focus is in technical analysis, you want to look at sentiment. Market sentiment is a thing, okay? And just historically, every single time that we're in extreme fear, it has been a good time to buy, okay? More often than not, okay? Not every single time, but more often than not, in extreme fear, it leads to positive price action. And right now, we've been in extreme fear for a number of days already, okay? And extreme fear is defined by anything below the 25 mark on the Fear and Greed Index. You can look into this by yourself by going on to lookintobitcoin.com. All right, so that's what I'm seeing on the charts. The cryptocurrency market is breaking out right now. It would be a great time to take a position and just wait. Take a position and just wait. I am not leverage trading this. There is no need to leverage trade this. Given my macro analysis, a lot of these altcoins can do tremendously well. in their upside moves, and basically there's no need to take on additional risk of getting stopped out or liquidated in a leveraged position, given those potential moves to the upside. So that's it for me. Hope this was helpful. This was useful. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great Sunday. Bye.